What is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Ipsy Glam bag and Glam bag plus for you guys. This is sent for review purpose. You guys know I like to keep it up front with you guys. If you're new here, my name. Also, please excuse my under eyes. I am testing out a new powder, and now looking at the footage, it looks so dry and accentuates every line underneath there. Is Meli. I do beauty content. I'd love to have you subscribe. Social media is down below for anyone who wants to follow me over there. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. This month it's do you boo, and I love that theme. It's about just being yourself, about celebrating your own beauty, and really just celebrating the beauty that comes from being just you, just yourself, which is really nice. I feel like that, you know, we don't say that enough nowadays. Like, just be yourself in a world that everyone else is trying to be someone else. You're única, you know, you're like unique, which is why I love my little sign back there. It says be yourself, everyone else is already taken. Okay, enough with my cheesiness. Let's go ahead and jump in why we came here. Look at how cute this bag is. This bag is gonna be with me for life. I love this, and look how cute this zipper. It is a rainbow colored silver. I live for this. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love the little rainbow, the lipstick, lips, rainbow color zipper. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I kind of peeked into here and tried on one of the things in here, which is this bad boy right here. This is a mini size version of the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Crush. I wish I had put a little bit of lip balm underneath here. I forgot how drying these are. Old school matte liquid lipsticks were just like suck the life out of your lips, and these are no exception. I highly recommend that you use a lip balm underneath. That's the way I use matte liquid lipsticks. The shade is really pretty. I would use this more with a little bit of a darker lip liner underneath, but overall I feel like I can still wear it with my skin tone. If you are darker than me, then you might want to use a lip liner. But this is in the shade Crush, and as you can see, that's like the mini version, which is probably about half of the size of the original. Next thing in here is the Tarte mascara. It is a little itty bitty little mini one. I think that this is the brush that I don't really care for. I think I'd just give this to my mama because it's just one of those brushes that really prickles at my eyes. I have very small eyes, and very prickly big brushes just make my eyes water, and sadly this mascara just was not for me. Next thing in this bag is the Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. This is from the brand Grow Gorgeous, and it is a pretty nice size mask. I think that this would last probably about 2 times. And yeah, just really nice to get a variety of products between makeup, hair care, and such. Next thing in here is the Dermatologist Choice pH Balance Cleanser. This is a glycolic acid cleanser, and it's supposed to restore your pH on your skin. Nice little size as well. And then the last thing in here is the Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. I don't really care for this kind of eyeliner, sadly. This is a felt tip, and it's just not my cup of tea, but I know a lot of people really like felt tip liners, and this might be for you. I think I'm just not gonna open it because I'm just gonna get it contaminated if I open it. I'd rather just gift it forward to someone that will actually use this. But I definitely just personal preference prefer liquid liners that have the little hairs, more of that liquidy formulation. But the bag on this, look at that zipper. Is that not the cutest? Next thing we are going to jump into is the big bad boy, the Glam Bag Plus. Same theme on the baggie. This one is a drawstring version. And what do we have here? First thing in here is the Foxy Bay 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. This has a biotin. I really liked Foxy Bay. I have tried some of their products and really enjoy them. And it has manola oil, shea butter oil, argan oil, macadamia, coconut. Whoa, it's got like a crap ton, biotin. Basically, it has 12 different things in here, butters, oils, and proteins to help your hair. It's a no rinse mask, and it is supposed to be a magic potion against frizz, split ends, and dull hair. And it says it's your fairy godmother and it will help your hair. And yeah, it's also free of sulfates and parabens. So full-size product of that. Next thing, oh, these are so cute. I can already see them through the bag. These are the SL Miss Glam Stay Sparkly Rainbow Luxe Set. I am so excited. Oh God, they're so cute. Look at that. That is beautiful. These are absolutely gorgeous. I will be keeping these just because of how beautiful the handle is, and they are pretty soft. This looks like a good either for blush. I would even use this. It's pretty dense, so I would even probably try this for a foundation. It has little rhinestones on the front, a little blue rhinestone. This one looks like a good highlighting brush. And these two look like good crease brushes and a flat all over. And I love the sparkle in there, all the little glitter. That's beautiful, just very, very beautiful. The aesthetic of that is gorgeous. Next thing in here is a mini version of the Professional Super Setter. It's a long-lasting makeup spray. I have seen this and was dying to try it out, but since I have probably like 20 sprays over there, I've been holding myself back. But this is a multitasking microfine mist. It's supposed to leave you smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. It locks makeup for 16 hours. I will test this at work and see how it goes, but let's just see. Oh, it is super fine, which I like. And it doesn't have any kind of smell or anything, so yeah, we'll see if I like it or not. Let me know if you guys want any reviews on any of these products. I could definitely do little mini reviews. I'm thinking of starting on my channel to do 10 minutes or less reviews and demos again. I've really been into buying makeup again and trying different things. Let me know if that's a thing that you guys would like. Next thing in here is the Mud Masky, and this is a serum infused eye mask. It reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. Basically, it says that you eventually, after 7 to 12 uses, see less lines and it becomes smoother. It says it smells a bit funky because the skin around your eyes hates perfumes, and it has antioxidants of Japanese matcha tea. And basically it's supposed to be like an eye mask that you wear around your eye and is supposed to help. So we shall see, but this is pretty huge because your eyes are really, you know, the area around your eye is pretty small. And this seems like it will last a long time. And then the last thing in here is the Bali Balm Lemon and Black Pepper Lip Balm. I will be giving this away because I do already own one. Let me see where you at? Okay, so this is the one that I have. This is the sweet orange and coconut one. This is pretty pricey. If I remember well, this is pretty pricey. And yeah, so I will be giving this one away just because I have quite a few lip balms and I only got one pair of lips. But I really enjoy this one, the sweet orange and coconut. This one is lemon. You know, it just depending on what kind of smells you enjoy. But yeah, I will be giving this one away just because, you know, I just have way too many products, and like I said previously, I don't like just to clutter and hoard way too much stuff. And that is it for this month's Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know which one was your favorite. I have to say, this month is just like an okay month. I feel like there was some things that really called out my name, and then some that I was like, I don't really care for that. But like most subscriptions, I feel like at least if you like 3 or 4 of the products, I think you're good to go. It's kind of hard to like every single product that comes to you. Overall, I think the things that most call to me are the hair mask. The brushes are just so cute. The little Glam Bag Plus is just adorable itself. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. And yeah, the Benefit spray is really nice to try out as well. So a few things that I really am excited to try out, and then other ones that I'm just like, it's okay. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I try to at least read through the comments. Sometimes, you know, I'm just trying to divide myself in between so many things, but I do appreciate everybody who subscribes, who shows me support, who actually like watches videos and watches my videos. It just means the world to me. This is just something that I do for fun and on the side as a little part-time jobby, and it's nice when you see people who are always constantly watching. I know there's not many of you, but I do appreciate those who do. Anyways, thank you guys so much. If you want to subscribe, hit that little red button. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.